There's one right there. There's others too. I don't know how to get them up close, but yeah, you see the tail right there. She, I guess, wanted to have her babies under the couch. And look at her. She's protective. Are you protecting your kittens? Huh? There's another one over there. You can't really tell. It's so dark underneath here. Anyways, I'll show them later if I can get them up from underneath the couch. I don't know when I'm going to be able to touch them, so probably be a little bit before that happens. Yeah, there they are right there. There's one right there. If I could get this damn thing to stop freaking rolling. There we go. There we go. There's the kitty. There's a kitten. Look at the babies. And I don't know how many she's gonna have, but she was really fat, so is that 2 of them right there? Yeah, there's 2 of them right there. Yep. There we go. There's 2. Is she having another one? A third one here? I don't know. But there's 2 of them right there. Look at the kitties. They're kitties. Yep, look. There's 2 of them. They look just like her. That is so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. I'm so happy that she had them finally. Wait, is there another one right there? No, that's the same one, I think. There's another one coming out, I think. What is she doing? Oh, okay. Girly girl. Alright, well, I'm gonna let her go and let her do her thing. I don't want to keep her. I mean, she's preoccupied right now, so I'll come back with another video. Okay? Alright, take care.